Hello everyone, I'm Jerry. Today, I will take you to understand the function of each component of the laser head. 1. Optical fiber crystal head, laser transmission, return light protection, spot control, heat dissipation and protection. 2. Upper protective mirror. Its main function is to prevent dust and other foreign matter from falling into the focusing mirror grip of the cutting head. 3. Collimating mirror, reduce energy loss, gather the dispersed laser beam and keep it parallel. 5. Middle protective lens. It can isolate dust, reduce loss and improve safety. 6. Lower protection, isolate splashes, dust and other impurities generated during processing to prevent internal pollution of the laser head. 7. Amplifier, amplify the energy and power of the laser while maintaining the beam quality, increasing the laser power, improving the laser energy density and increasing the laser beam brightness. 8. Sensor, perform high-precision measurement and detection. 9. RF cable, used to transmit radio frequency signals. 10. Ceramic ring, protection, insulation, stable optical path, and avoiding damage to the laser head. 11. Nozzle, auxiliary gas guidance, blow away processing residues, and stabilize the laser spot.